Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily change Favicon or how you can add Favicon in Squarespace app on mobile. So what you want to do is just go to settings menu, and then you're gonna go to logo and title, and I think it should be here. Let's wait until it loads. And I need to charge my phone, by the way. Fascinating. And now you're gonna see Favicon here. And now you can just like add custom Favicon, click files, and like upload your Favicon. And this is pretty much it how you do it. So this is how you can add Favicon in Squarespace. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.